Okay, well, I'm back from Winona Garden Railway after speaking with John. I picked up my Kadee couplers and some black metal wheels for one of the cars I'm fixing up. And I'll go inside and show you what I got. Okay, well, coming inside, there's my cat. This is what I picked up. I picked up some Kadee couplers, the 907s, and metal wheels. They will be going on that train. And then we have my train over here. Again, the wires down here and over here. They broke on me as usual. So, from Amazon, I picked up some of this wire here, which is really flexible wire. And I picked up some clips, little pins, and wired it all back up. And with the help of John from Winona, he helped me figure out the wiring in here. So everything's good. And so now I just got to put these Kadee couplers on the TH&B engine, on some TH&B cars, and I'm going to have a whole TH&B line that's just strictly Kadee couplers. Now back here on the railway, I've done a bit of work. I soldered in a new wire that runs up and along through there, and it comes over here and joins in right there. Give me some extra power. And then over here I did another power hookup and connected it in with some wires over here, so these tracks are joined. And I have a wire from there running all the way back to the main connection. And I've been working on this billboard platform. Planted some plants around it, put a little gondola that is too small for my layout, but it looks nice as a planter. And the lights, they work. They light up at night with the rest of the layout. I have this section here that I've set up. I'm going to be taking out the base. I have another base that I put some lamp poles on, street lights, and they have LEDs in them so they'll light up at night with the rest of the system. Put a little more light over here for everything. Tonight I had a raccoon rumble in my backyard. They took out my water tower and ate a bunch of my fish. So let's see the damage. And I only have 3 goldfish left. I think I had 7 in there, but I only have 3 that I can see. And there's a big time fight up in this tree. So I got to do some gardening, some repair work again. Okay, well, I have been working on my TH&B train. I have gotten all the cars set up now with Kadee couplers. These cars all have Kadee couplers. I have 2 more cars in the shed that I'm working on, putting Kadees into those, but this all works with Kadee. And I got the little train running. There's the little train running. And I got the TH&B train coming around. Oh. I've had to repair the track in some sections because the Kadee couplers are not as forgiving as the hook and loop couplers. I was having problems right here where the train would disconnect, but I got that sorted out. Been working on a little park area down here with street lights. Just gotta hook it into the grid. Yeah, I gotta clean my train. Contacts are a little dirty. But as you can see, it does a loop, it stays together. Okay folks, well that's all I got for you for today. So remember, keep the hobby alive, talk about trains, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Stay safe, see you later, bye bye.